The Action Mobil Global XRS 7200 2026 is an extraordinary expedition vehicle that represents the pinnacle of overlanding luxury and engineering. Built on a MAN 6x6 chassis, it combines rugged off-road capabilities with high-end living comforts that make it suitable for long-term travel in the most remote parts of the world. With its imposing presence, it is not just a vehicle but a self-sustained mobile home designed to tackle deserts, mountains, and Arctic conditions alike. One of the standout features of the Global XRS 7200 is its immense size and robust construction. At nearly 12 meters in length and weighing well over 18 tons, it is an undeniable giant in the expedition vehicle market. Despite its bulk, it is engineered for maneuverability, with all-wheel drive and differential locks ensuring that it can handle rugged terrains with surprising grace. The high ground clearance and off-road tires further enhance its ability to traverse challenging landscapes. The vehicle is powered by a 720 horsepower diesel engine, a testament to its raw strength. This powerhouse allows it to climb steep gradients and haul its immense weight with ease, even when fully loaded with supplies and water for weeks of self-sufficient travel. The fuel capacity is equally impressive, enabling long journeys without the need for frequent refueling stops. For explorers who value independence, this is a game changer. Inside, the Global XRS 7200 redefines what expedition living can look like. The interior is finished with luxury materials more akin to a high-end apartment than a rugged camper. Polished wood, leather seating, and modern lighting create a comfortable and sophisticated environment. Despite its focus on durability, the designers have not compromised on elegance, making the cabin a space that feels like home even in the harshest conditions. The layout is designed to maximize both space and functionality. It features a large bedroom with a full-sized bed, a spacious lounge area, and a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances such as an induction cooktop, refrigerator, and microwave. Storage is abundant, cleverly integrated into the design to keep essentials organized during long expeditions. Even after months on the road, occupants would not feel deprived of everyday conveniences. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a separate shower, toilet, and even a washing machine. These additions transform the vehicle from a rugged explorer's truck into a true mobile residence. For long-term travelers, having access to such amenities reduces the feeling of sacrifice often associated with extended off-road journeys. It allows adventurers to remain self-sufficient while still enjoying high levels of comfort. Technology also plays a central role in the Global XRS 7200. The vehicle incorporates advanced navigation systems, satellite communications, and solar panels for renewable energy. This ensures constant connectivity and power availability, even in areas far removed from civilization. Climate control systems, including air conditioning and efficient heating, make the cabin comfortable in both scorching deserts and freezing tundras. Safety is a critical consideration in a vehicle of this size and purpose. The XRS 7200 includes reinforced construction, stability control, and multiple redundancies in vital systems. It is designed to withstand not only environmental challenges but also potential hazards in less developed regions. The sheer size and power of the vehicle already provide a sense of security, but the engineering goes further to ensure peace of mind for its occupants. Driving such a large machine may seem intimidating, but Action Mobil has worked to make the experience as user-friendly as possible. The cockpit is modern, with ergonomic seating and intuitive controls that resemble those of commercial trucks. While it requires skill to operate, drivers familiar with heavy-duty vehicles will find it responsive and reliable. On highways, it cruises smoothly, while off-road, it demonstrates surprising agility for its scale. The Global XRS 7200 is not without its drawbacks. Its sheer size makes it impractical for narrow roads and urban environments, and it is best suited for wide-open landscapes. Fuel consumption, while mitigated by its large tank, is inevitably high given the engine's power and the vehicle's weight. Additionally, its price places it firmly in the ultra-luxury category, accessible only to a select group of wealthy explorers. Despite these limitations, the XRS 7200 achieves what it sets out to do: deliver unmatched freedom and comfort for global travel. It is more than a recreational vehicle, it is a self-contained expedition platform capable of supporting life in the harshest environments. For those who can afford it, it eliminates the compromises usually associated with off-grid exploration. In 2026, the Action Mobil Global XRS 7200 remains a symbol of ultimate overland ambition. It is as much a statement of lifestyle as it is a vehicle, appealing to adventurers who desire the security of a fortress on wheels combined with the luxuries of a modern home. While it will never be a mainstream option, it defines the top tier of expedition travel and represents the dream of endless exploration without boundaries.